Welcome to our home. Welcome to our home.
Welcome back to our channel. Today is the day I'm actually going to be filming a house tour, which, believe it or not, this has probably been one of my most requested videos out of all the years that I've been doing Instagram. And I'm excited to give you guys a little tour of my home, and yeah, welcome to my crib. Okay, so this is, you just walked into the main door, and this is our main room. I'm not really sure what this room was supposed to be, but we turned it into basically like our studio slash workout room. So when you first come into our house, this is what you see. It's a big empty room. We have some mirrors. We have all my Proform equipment. We have Oakley eating and working out at the same time. Our house is actually pretty small. It's a 2-bedroom, 1 bath, but we have a garage that is converted into another room. So technically I think it's like a 3-bedroom, but we use that room for our gaming room. So it's only a 2-bedroom, 1 bath, 1 bath. We have 4 people in 1 bathroom.
That's why the lines get so big when we have to go potty.
There can be some family crisis sometimes. Okay, so after you head through the yoga room, we have this little archway leading into the kitchen, and this is a campus board. You can find these anywhere. I think we got this one on Amazon, I believe. So they're for rock climbers. They help you train your grip and your pull-ups. You can see they have like different little holds, so you can practice different kinds of grips and really work on your finger strength. So we have that just hanging over in our like main archway. It gives you like lots of space, and it's convenient. Every time you want to go get a snack from the kitchen, you have to do some pull-ups. That's the rule here. We go through this room. This is our kitchen area.
Kitchen, huh?
Cabinets are all chalkboard by yours truly. I wanted to like update our kitchen, but I didn't want to spend a lot of money, so I just painted chalkboard. There's Cho. Hi, Cho. I love these. These are also from Amazon. So right next to the kitchen is
and I'm gonna go ahead and do it
like the dining room area. And this is like one of my favorite parts of the house. We have like our main Ninja rig in here. So you can see that this is like a couple 2x4s that are drilled into some support beams that are drilled into the wall. We have some support beams across there, and then this giant beam is resting on top of these 2x4s that goes across the ceiling and down to the other side, the same thing. So we have like 2x4s going across the entire archway that is drilled in and connected down to these supports. So basically we were trying to do as like minimal like holes to our walls, but to get maximum support on this thing, because we like to hang on this thing, so we wanted to make sure it was going to be nice and sturdy. Yeah, so this little 2x4 also serves as like another little cliffhanger. You got it, bud. Ninja boy. You got it, you got it. Wow, that's pretty good. So what we did after we put the supports up is we drilled little eye hooks into the wood so that you can exchange or flip out these little things. So it's really customizable. You can change the holds and put rings up or different kinds of grips. I like the bananas and these little ball things. This is what I use to work on my grip strength and my lockouts. And then we have some little extra seating here with this cute little swing. This is also from Amazon. Oakley's doing all the demos for you guys.
Look at him! He's so cute! He's a real life kitty!
This swing is also Chocho's favorite place to hang. He likes
Yeah, he likes to jump up here and just like cuddle and he sleeps up there.
So continuing on in our dining room area, we have our rock wall, which this is just plywood that is also screwed into some 2x4s that are supported onto the wall.
It's the oddest house.
So,
This is the coolest ninja house, right, guys?
these little rock holes were gifted to us, but I believe you can find these on eBay. But yeah, it's a good way to practice your grip strength and your climbing coordination. This is a little hammock from Mexico that we hang sometimes. In addition to this little ninja rig in the dining room area, we have this giant board that goes across the entire length of this wall. And I added in some rock holds. And then we created like a pegboard here. So we just drilled holes in this giant board. And then we have these little pegs. And you take the pegs in and out and do pegboard. My brother-in-law split this wood, that's why we have like this little... Oakley, you wanna hold the camera so I can demo it?
Sweet. It's really cool. Oh, 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 oh. Whoa, that's impressive. You're doing so good. Wow. Woohoo.
Alright, so now that you've seen our little ninja dining room kitchen combo we have going on here, I'm going to show you our little living room. So straight off the pegboard wall, you can go into the living room area. Right behind the couch, you have this is like my little recording studio area.
This is where she does all these videos. You will recognize it. So she's like this. I am doing it.
You get a real demonstration of me doing my makeup. My little recording area. I have like my little mirror, my little lighting setup, my camera. And this is where I keep all my stuff. Makeup in here, hair stuff.
Wait.
City's favorite. What did you find?
This. Oh, Mom, can we please?
Feel like that's a hair tutorial coming, huh?
Guys.
My glitter stash, my Arctic Fox stash. And right next to my studio area is Chocho's world. This is where my cat lives. You got to see the ninja stuff I have inside. My little studio area next to the living room. Like I said, our house is actually pretty small, but we make use of like every single space in the house, so there is no unused space. Now I'm gonna take you to the other side of the house, which is the bedroom and the kids' room. Let's go, guys. Sadie is gonna take you to her room. Oh, there's our bathroom, guys. This is the one bathroom we have in the house. It's the smallest room. But hey, you know what? It works. All right, City. This is Kid World.
Bed, mine, his.
So they have like their little bunk bed,
Closet.
their little closet, her little kitchen, and they even have their own little tree house fort right here. So this is like their little chalkboard wall where they get to color.
You can see my bed. Come in. All this stuff is all organized. This. I even have a globe. Sometimes when I go to bed.
So even the kids have their own little rock climbing area in their
Even a
room.
globe. His name is Globy. Guys, you know the best thing that makes us sleep so well? We got robes.
Leftover pieces of plywood from when we did the rock wall out in the dining room area. And then we had some extra holds, so I made Oakley like a little rock climb wall. So right next door to the kids' bedroom is Andre and I's room.
They have the comfiest bed ever.
This is my my walk up to closet, not my walk-in closet. But yeah, I took off all the doors because it made it really hard to get to my stuff. So I just have these curtains. This is like my little makeup area. This is where I do my makeup. I just have some of my palettes and my favorite products in here. And this is my little selfie mirror.
Come here. I have so many. These are Hatchimals.
Do you love Hatchimals?
Yeah.
Show me your art wall. This is where the kids hang their art that they've done recently.
Oh, we have
It's changed out on the daily. So now that I've shown you our indoor Ninja Gym, we're gonna actually take you outside to show you the Ninja setup that we have outside. This is our outdoor little rig that we have set up. We had this built by one of the coaches from the Ninja Gym that we train at. He built basically like this giant frame, and we hung some stuff on it for the kids. And then we have some rings set up right there. We have like a little pull-up bar. This little rig is super nice because it's super diverse. So again, you can kind of change out the holds in the middle there, and it has like a little platform for the kids to play on. These hooks up here on this beam, you can change out as well. So like we could take down the kids' swings if we wanted and put some more Ninja holds up there. And we also have a slack line across our yard.
I don't know how far I'll go today. We'll see. Guys, you see our treehouse? Yeah. And it's a unicorn swing, and I love it.
Sadie, is that your favorite spot?
Yeah. Dance, 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 dance. Oh, I love it.
So you may think that you have seen every room in our tiny little house, but there's one room left, and that is our gaming room slash Andre's office. So I'm gonna show you where our secret gaming room is. We have this little door to our ghetto laundry room and to our gaming room. It is small, but it has all the cool stuff in it, including this cool guy.
Hey there.
He is a remote developer, so he does all his working from home in his office slash gaming room. And this is our beautiful gaming computer where we do our VR and our sweet, sweet little setup that Andre did for when we do mixed reality. So the green screen is on this track. Pretty cool. IKEA closets, and this is actually where I keep a lot of my like photo shoot stuff and my
next one.
clothes for work, I guess. Costumes in here.
Wait, costume?
This is all my black milk stuff. We have leggings and some mermaid stuff in here. Alright guys, so there you have it. That is the home tour video. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed our little house slash gym that we have. Having a gym in your home makes it super convenient to work out. It makes it super fun, and it's just a lifestyle. It's fun to have that stuff and easy access, and it's a ton of fun.